I'm waiting for my milk to get up to 162 so that my yogurt is hot enough, and then I'll stick it right in cool water, make sure it gets down to about 110 degrees, and then I'm going to put it in my Instant Pot and cook it on the yogurt setting for 8 hours. Then I'll check it, see if it is thick enough. If not, I'll turn it on for just a bit more. But it's really important to heat up your milk very slowly, because if not, you could have the end results being grainy. And so I've got mine on number 3. Okay, now I'm just going to add the starter. Stir it in real good to make sure it's all dissolved and mixed through it, and then I will add it to my Instant Pot. Stick around to the end and grab my free must-have canning supply list. Don't forget to grab your free must-have canning supply list below.